dear life community. Hope all you're doing well. Last week, I had the incredible opportunity to attend Sushi Tech Tokyo 2024, an exciting event that brought together some of the brightest minds in technology and innovation. I met with 7 amazing crypto projects, and today I'm excited to kick off our series with a deep dive into bioprinting brilliance at Tokyo's Sushi Tech 2024. At Sushi Tech Tokyo 2024, I had the pleasure of meeting Dr. Lokesh, a pioneering figure in the fields of 3D bioprinting and regenerative medicine. His journey is a testament to the transformative power of passion and dedication. Dr. Lokesh's fascination with the human brain began in his school days, leading him to pursue studies in converging technologies and cognitive neuroscience. From the University of Rajasthan to the Defense Research and Development Organization, and then to Japan's National Institute for Material Sciences, his academic path has been nothing short of extraordinary. Currently at OIST, Dr. Lokesh is developing a prototype 3D fabrication system that merges 3D bioprinting and electrospinning technology. This innovative approach focuses on creating biomaterials and 3D bioprinting technologies for regenerative medicine. Dr. Lokesh also serves as an adjunct assistant professor at Universidad Integral del Caribe y America Latina and is co-founder of SND Regenic Biome Private Limited. His company is dedicated to reducing animal use in research by developing specialized biomaterial formulations for neural tissues and the hybrid fabrication system. Now, let's get into the exciting part. Dr. Lokesh's work at the intersection of 3D bioprinting and regenerative medicine is truly remarkable. His dedication and passion for innovation were evident in every conversation we had. So, without further ado, here is a special clip of our conversation with Dr. Lokesh at Sushi Tech Tokyo 2024.
Especially, when researchers want to develop a startup with an idea of, so there is a very big gap between industry and academia. So when you have an idea, you want to develop a prototype. Then in the startup field, there are very less investors which wants to invest at that idea stage in deep tech. So what happens? OIST came up with an idea which is called proof of concept program. So like researchers like me who wanted to develop something useful and wanted to serve the society with our innovations, we could be facilitated by this program. So we get special fundings and we develop the prototype and then we can start our own companies. So I am in now second phase of POC program at OIST Innovation, and this is a huge funding. Every year we get around 20 million Japanese yen, and I can hire one full-time employee and one part-time employee. And recently this month we started the registration process of our company in Japan, and we have already registered the company in India. So my research is about developing a machine which ease the pain of researchers to print the 3D tissues in lab as well as 3D scaffolds. So it can print both material based 3D architecture, which is we call scaffold, and 3D tissues, live tissues. So we mix the cells with hydrogel and it can print the layered architecture of a complex tissue, which has been a very big challenge. Now why I am doing this? Because one aspect is R&D. If we see the pharma companies, every year thousands of mice in just one institute is being sacrificed to test the drugs on mice, and this is highest level of cruelty. And now one step more, if we see any drug which comes for cancer has been tested on the animal model, and these animal models are created by induced cancer model, and this is next level of cruelty. So if we can come up with an alternate way to check the molecular aspect, how this drug is affecting and how efficient is it without going through the trials on animals, and we can minimize the use of them. So that is the way with 3D tissues, if we can create, which can mimic the in vivo, the body tissue structures in lab, and then this can be used for the drug testing. So this is the purpose I came up with, and with my machine, initially I want to target this field of market. Then the next, if we see long run, how this technology can benefit humans directly. So there is therapy aspect. So we can create any tissue, any type of tissue in the lab, which can be implanted into the patient. Like a patient which has nerve injury due to the trauma or accident, the nerve has been cut off. There is no treatment so far, only the autography, which is also limited in certain cases. So we can create a tissue from the patient stem cell in the lab, can be implanted into the patient directly. So this will be a miraculous technology, especially for the spinal cord injury patient, where the complete spinal cord has been cut off. So far, these patients do not survive more than 3 months or 6 months, they die. And the cost of management for this treatment, for this patient is $2 million to $4 million. So, and their family goes through lots of pain. And unfortunately, due to unavailability of any treatment, they die at the end. So with this technology, actually, we can provide the treatment, creating a autograft from patient's stem cells, loading on the scaffolds that we are actually developing, or directly creating a tissue, could be an alternative and a robust method for the treatment of these patients. Apart from that, because I am more focused on neuron initially, because neurons are very critical to address, neural traumas, because neurons has very limited potency of regeneration in body. Unlike other cells, like if we see the somatic cells, skin cells in body, any other part of the body, if there is a cut, it can regenerate itself. Neurons cannot do that. That's what I am trying to address, this challenge. But any other types of injuries like second degree burn, heart injuries, ligament, muscle fracture, bone, we can address with this technology in future. The only thing is we have to shape the material which will be most suitable for the specific tissue, and that's what we are doing. So we are specializing, our startup, we are specialized in developing biomaterials for specific tissue and this 3D bioprinting technology, which gives us upper edge with the existing competitors in the market. And our machine can also print these 3D tissues according to the need of patients, which is called in medical terms personalization. It means the customized product according to the need of patients. What is the size of graft, what is the dimension, diameter, porosity. There are many factors. So all these has to be kept in mind before we develop this for patient. So that's what we do in our startup, and now we are looking for seed round investment, and we are soon spinning out from OIST, and so please do support us. All these has to be kept in mind before we develop this for patient. So that's what we do in our startup, and now we are looking for seed round investment, and we are
Dr. Lokesh's participation in Sushi Tech Tokyo 2024 truly highlighted the significance of his work and the potential of interdisciplinary research. Stay tuned, because I'll be featuring the other exciting projects I encountered at the event in the coming days. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates from Ledger Life. See you next time.